Happy Canada Day, Happy America Day. I'm Steve Reinharz, CEO of Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions. This is the 2nd of July's weekly update. It's the holiday edition of the weekly update. I don't know why I called it that, but I don't know, it sounded fun. But if you haven't watched last week's weekly update, please watch it. It's a good one, a really good one. A lot of information there for fans, followers, and investors. So please catch last week's. If you haven't watched it yet, you can watch it again. Why not? There's good stuff in there. Like, subscribe, share. Let's get into it. We had a pretty big month, eh? Pretty big month in a month when OTC was really getting battered. The markets were getting battered in general. I'm okay with how we did given everything else happening. So I think that's a victory, and our fans, followers, investors should celebrate that victory because that was great. Maybe the biggest news from the month is 100 units were targeted, 85 units were committed. Huge, best month ever, right? Now looking at July, we again have a path to 100 and hope we hit it. We certainly can blow it out, if people sign stuff. But I'm glad that we're moving from, targeting 20, 30, 40 a month to 100 a month as kind of, hey, this is where we need to be. That continues to go up, of course, as time goes on and as we expand more. So that's really good. Talking about end of the month, I do have the Q1Q in my inbox for review and commenting. So that will be, I assume, or I'm pretty sure, filed on time, which I believe is July 15th. So keep your eyes open for that. But yeah, sales are good. Maybe one of the big highlights, additional highlight for the team, for the company, and maybe even for more than the company, was the event that we had in New York Thursday. It was really, really, really good. It was emotional. It was much more than us trying to pitch our products. It was really our ability to connect with some things happening in America that are dreadful. We're going to have that video ready for you on Tuesday, and it's pretty emotional. It's something else, I tell you. It's something else. So keep your eyes open for that. Naturally, we're pushing it to the press, trying to get that exposure. This is an easy solution. It's effective. Let's get it out there. Anyway, more details on that on Tuesday or Wednesday. So check that out. We had so much fun. We had 3 retail investors come to the New York event, and they're all folks that have been in orbit for a really long time. So I have, we don't talk, but we text back and forth. And they're New York based, so they're like, hey, can I come? And I was like, sure, why not? I didn't want the space filled up with investors. And it worked out perfectly. We had the great balance of attendees, but it was never about in-person attendance. It was about capturing on camera the dialogue and the demonstration, because of course we could do much more with a camera than I can with a room in New York, right? I can hit 5,000, 10,000, folks from media and client sites with a video, whereas I can't in person. So very, very great event. You'll see more, but because of the retail investor participation, or attendance at least, we decided to turn kind of a demonstration event that we're having at the Rex, or that I was going to have at the Rex on July 18th, into an invitation for retail to come by as well. So you'll see details on that over the weekend or early part of next week. It's going to be sort of similar, more focused on product demonstrations. The product demonstration for firearm that we did in New York was just mind-blowing. It was so great that I want to continue to share and promote that. And, anyway, you'll see that. So if you're in the Detroit area, or if you feel like coming up, it's going to be 4:30 on Monday, July 18th. Product demonstrations, getting hands-on stuff, that kind of thing. Uh, and then I'm going to head over to Canada, to our Canadian office later that evening. So that week is actually looking like Detroit Monday, our Waterloo office Tuesday, Boston for some customer facing stuff with one of our partners on Wednesday. So that'll be one of those weeks. Other things that happened this month were the NFT. We launched an NFT. Now, I understand that in the OTC world, our retail investors, our bread and butter, might not get it per se. And that's fine. This is about opening up a new community, trying new things. So new things don't always have to be fully understood by everybody upon launch. I love the NFT, and I'll go with my instincts, and I'll say that many other people love this NFT idea as well. We're going to raise some money for the company. We're going to give people a digital memento that will hopefully be worth, I don't know, something outsized in years to come, because it is our first NFT, and if the company goes the way that we want it to, could be worth something, just like other things get value over time. Anyway, I love it. We're having fun with it. Join the NFT community. Make this your first NFT. Make this your first piece of digital art. Why not? Celebrate and promote AITX with our most popular product, right? So, I got some Ethereum lying around. Talk about battered markets, Ethereum, right? So buy an NFT. Anyway, that's what's happening on the NFT. I'm pretty excited about that. I do want to share that the teams that we have are just so focused, so productive. We've brought together so many people over a short period of time, and we see the results so well right now. For example, with firearm detection, with the accuracy of it, with the speed of it, with the speed the team, made it happen. We have a very complicated platform, which is one of our strengths, which I don't think the industry really even understands. It's taken us years to develop, millions of dollars. And now this platform, this foundation that we've built is starting to really prove its worth. I think there's high value there. And I really think there's a lot of value in this company. I look at AITX, our market cap, and the market's going to determine what it's worth. That's how it works. For me, I see just a lot of growth. I just see tremendous growth. I heard about another company in our space being security, selling for a really, really high number. And I was thinking to myself, man, our profitability is higher, our growth is higher. What will we be worth when we move into a market that's more based on fundamentals? Anyway, interesting food for thought. Okay, just wrapping it up. It feels to me that we are like some light in the market and in the OTC in particular. So I just want to share everybody watching this who got to this stage, right? Thank you. You guys are making it happen for us and for you and for many people beyond. So I hope everybody has a great weekend. Reach out to me as always. These long weekends, I usually have a little more time on my hands to engage, and I love it. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Be safe.